In a huge setback to former Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister Omar Abdullah, the Delhi High Court today rejected his plea seeking a divorce with his estranged wife Payal Abdullah. A bench headed by Justice Sanjeev Sachdeva and Vikas Mahajan of the Delhi High Court today rejected the plea filed by Omar Abdullah seeking a divorce with his wife over the grounds of cruelty. Now, the Delhi High Court said that there is no infirmity with the trial court order, in fact the family court order of 2016, wherein the trial court had rejected his petition for divorce with his wife, saying that he is unable to prove that there is no chance of them getting back together, and this was an estranged marriage. Now, what is very important to note at this point of time is that Omar Abdullah and Payal Abdullah had married in 1994, and since 2009 they have been living separately. Omar Abdullah had filed for a divorce before a family court in 2016, and after hearing his plea for over several months, the trial court or the family court had rejected the plea, saying that Omar Abdullah has not been able to prove as to why there is a ground for cruelty. There was neither a mental cruelty nor a physical cruelty, and there is no reason why this relationship cannot be saved and the marriage cannot be reawakened. In fact, challenging that particular order, Omar Abdullah had knocked the doors of the Delhi High Court and hearing the matter for almost years. Now, the Delhi High Court too has rejected his plea. Now, whether or not Omar Abdullah will be approaching the topmost court of the country seeking a dissolution of his marriage is something that we'll have to wait and watch for. But at this point of time, this seems to be a huge setback coming in for the National Conference leader. Recently, in fact, there was another order of a single judge bench of the Delhi High Court which had in fact increased the maintenance that was to be given by Omar Abdullah to his wife Payal Abdullah to over 1.5 lakh, and in fact an amount was also set aside apart from that money for their two sons until they graduate from the law school.